Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to soften gray hair with a toner. So my client Patty is about 50% gray, but it's really scattered and random. Some of it is growing gray in clumps, other parts is growing more salt and pepper. And so the best way to blend out her hair is just by doing highlights. Now the challenge that she faces is that not only is her hair really coarse, it's also quite curly, especially in through the perimeter. So there is hairs that don't get highlighted and they stay that really coarse craziness. So I'm going to show you how to soften them by using a toner so that overall her finished result is really nice and blended and all nice and soft. Before we get started though, let's get some light housekeeping out of the way. Obviously subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every Friday, so hit the little bell so that you're notified as soon as they go live. Also subscribe to my two sister channels. They're going to be linked down below. And lastly, leave any questions or comments that you have down below as well. I will get back to you as soon as I can. It'll be me getting back to you myself, so if you have any questions about the video, the color, any other videos that you want to see, leave them there too. I will absolutely get back to you. So let's get started. So here's Patty's hair all highlighted. You can see these curly little buggers here by her ear. So here I'm mixing Patty's toner. In the bowl I have 9N plus 5 ball. The reason why I chose 5 ball is it has a little bit more ammonia than using it as a demi. I do let it oxidize a little bit so there's not really any lifting power, but that's going to be enough to just soften the gray. I would formulate differently depending on what color line I'm using and what the person's head of hair looks like. There's no cookie cutter answer on how to formulate for blending gray hair. Now I'm going to start applying the toner. I'm going to start applying on the areas that have the wiriest gray hair first, so it sits on the longest. Time to let the hair process. You can already see here through the color that the hair is softer. Now her hair is all done. Look at how blended it is and look how soft her gray looks. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember that you're brilliant, you're beautiful, and you're going to go on to accomplish some amazing things. Have a beautiful day. Bye.